I have a pound of clean, raw 1620 shrimp, and I'm adding a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of white pepper, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Giving that a good mix and marinating for 30 minutes, and that's enough time to get everything prepped and ready. Now for the sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and oyster sauce. And this is the secret ingredient, shrimp paste. This is shrimp paste with bean oil, and you can find it at your local Asian market. It has a rich, salty taste, and a little goes a long way. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon. If you don't have shrimp paste available, you can substitute with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And this is juice of half of a lime. And to balance out the salty and sour, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of sugar, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. I have everything prepped and we are ready to cook. First, I'm cooking the shrimp. In a skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a little oil to coat the bottom and then adding in the shrimp. I'm cooking the shrimp for a couple minutes on each side or until done and then removing from the pan. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this spicy Thai fried rice below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in the minced garlic and ginger. You should have at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil left on the bottom of the pan, and if you don't, you can add more. For the spicy, I have about 4 small chopped red chilies. You can make this as spicy as you like. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and then adding in 1 cup of finely diced onion and about 1.5 cups of diced cabbage. I love the texture and flavor of cabbage in a stir fry. And if you can get it at your Asian market, Napa cabbage is good to use. Cooking and stirring for 5 to 8 minutes or until the cabbage and onions are tender. I have 4 cups of cooked jasmine rice. I made this rice yesterday and refrigerated overnight. This helps separate the rice grains and prevents rice clumping when stir frying. I'm adding in all the shrimp and juices and pouring over my sauce. Cooking and stirring till everything is incorporated, and this will take a couple minutes. Just take your time. Here is the highlight and the brightness of this dish. This is about 1 cup of fresh Thai basil, and no, there is no substitute. I'm also adding in a couple more whole red chilies, giving 1 more good stir and it's ready to eat. This spicy Thai shrimp fried rice is so good and addicting. And to top it off, a crispy fried egg. Giving it another pop of flavor at the end with a squeeze of lime. This is an easy Thai fried rice. Lots of flavor and brightness with the right balance of spicy, salty, sweet, and sour. I hope you give this spicy Thai shrimp fried rice a try and enjoy. This Chinese shrimp and broccoli stir fry is so easy, and you can have it ready in less than 30 minutes. First, I'm going to blanch my broccoli for a minute or 2 and then place it in a cold water bath to stop the cooking process. My broccoli florets are a nice bite size, and this makes it easier to cook the broccoli versus sautéing in the pan. I have a pound of 1620 shrimp that I cleaned, and I'm seasoning with a little salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Giving that a good mix and letting it marinate for about 15 minutes. In a wok or pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some oil, and that is about 1/4 cup. You want the bottom to be lightly coated. I'm adding in my shrimp and spreading out. I'm letting the shrimp cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'm giving them a flip and cooking for an additional minute or two. Keep an eye on them. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. Once done, I'm removing the shrimp from the pan and setting to the side. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Chinese shrimp and broccoli stir-fry below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. In the same pan on medium heat, I have about 3 tablespoons of oil left on the bottom, and I'm adding in a tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 small diced onion. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are tender. Now I'm adding in the cooked broccoli, the shrimp, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And that's it. Giving everything a toss to combine, and it's ready to eat. You can taste the garlic in the background. The sauce is simple, slightly salty, and light. You want the shrimp and the broccoli to shine through. The sauce just brings everything together. This is the basic recipe for Chinese shrimp and broccoli stir-fry, but you can build upon the recipe and add any additional vegetables that you like, spice it up with some chilies, and even a drizzle of sesame oil at the end adds good flavor. This Chinese shrimp and broccoli stir-fry has few ingredients and is packed full of flavor. Very satisfying and a quick, simple meal to impress your friends and family. I hope you give this Chinese shrimp and broccoli stir-fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!